Hey guys, I decided to redo this video with a voiceover. I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients that I use to make my basic spaghetti with ground turkey. This brown butterball turkey right here on the left. Then I have some minced garlic, spaghetti, onions, bell pepper, and my everything mixed. Salt, pepper, accent, Prego. Alright, you're going to start with your onion and bell peppers. You're going to start by removing that paper from the onion and dicing that up. And you're going to do the same thing with your bell pepper. You're going to dice that up nice. Alright, and next you're going to be moving on to your pan. You're going to add your extra virgin olive oil spray. Make sure you spray that pan very well. That way you don't have to worry about your vegetables burning. And you're going to start the process. You're going to add those to the pan, and once that starts cooking, you're going to want to wait until those start to get a little translucent. That lets you know you're ready to add your next thing. But before you do that, make sure you add in your seasonings. I use sazon everything mixed seasoning to start with, because I like to layer my seasonings. So you just mix that around, and like I said, get everything translucent, caramelized, you may say. Alright, and add in your seasonings. I also added in a little bit of minced garlic right here, along with that sazon everything mixed seasoning. Let that fry up a little bit. And then next you're going to add in your ground turkey. Let that cook. I added in some of the same seasonings that everything mixed seasoning, of course, was the seasonings that you saw on the counter. I also added in some season on, that's the little red looking seasoning. Started my water boiling for my spaghetti, added a little oil, and as you can see, my turkey is about done here. Alright, got that water boiling nice. Add in your spaghetti noodles or whatever. Let that cook down. Alright, that's looking good. You're going to add in your canned diced tomatoes. Next, you're going to add in your Prego sauce. And you'll get that going nice. That looks good. Alright. And you're going to go back over. Oh, well, no, you're going to stay right here and let it continue to cook down and simmer. And you're going to make sure that your spaghetti noodles are done. A little trick that I learned from the show. It's my little fork, my little thing. Don't talk about me. Yeah, that's it right there. Spaghetti noodle on the wall is done. Alright, and now you add in your meat sauce and mix everything up and you're done. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video.